Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in the video to do the English practice, and today I'll share you some interview tips which I've used in my life and I've experienced it, and that works basically. So let's jump into this video, and so I'll share you the things which is important. The first one is basically I was struggling to basically learning too much of about myself basically, because that is also the beginner who is going to give the interview. He just cramming these all things, so it doesn't matter whatever things you can basically represent yourself best. That is the one introduction you need to prepare, and just try to give it everywhere whenever you face some sort of interview. So this is all what you need to basically do. And the second one is basically to have a confident voice tone, because that is how you can basically grab the attention of your interviewer. And so he can able to basically talk to you, and he just showing the passion to basically talk to you basically, because apart from this there is a lot of people who just in the middle of the interview they don't feel like that is not the right candidate, so they will just tell you okay stop, so you can wait outside. This kind of things happens to me, and that is what I'm telling you. So this is the also things if you're starting from the confidence, if you're starting your raise your voice from the beginning of interview, so that will be very beneficial, because that is engaging to the interview that you are a, you know basically yourself better, and you whatever you are speaking confidently and everything is right. Just your voice tone is high, so he can basically observe that you are whatever you get you can able to speak fluently and confidently to anyone who's over are there. So yeah, this is a second tip which is helpful for me as well, because I've tried multiple times, and I just have multiple thoughts in my mind that how I can basically express myself if he asks some other thing out of the box. So how can I prepare for that? So yeah, these all things matter in my mind. But if you are coming there, there is nothing such a thing which is out of the box. You are well prepared, and you are know that you can be able to basically give the answer. So you can basically gets very less questions, because if you are confident person, so he also try not to ask you multiple questions, because he know whatever you are going to ask him, he know everything. So this is also a important thing. And the third one is try to basically engage him with the thing which you already know and which you have a confidence that you have observed that, because whatever things we observe we are able to basically express themselves very fluently and very confidently. So that is how you can basically get confidence to him that whatever task you are going to get, you are going to perform it very like he can basically believe on you that you can comfortably do that particular task. So this is also a great thing, because they are also like hiring people, just they need some sort of confidence and something which is that you are basically self confidence person, so you are not going to like wild tasks. So these all the things which they are looking for. And I think there are some situational based questions, so I think they also ask that, because I've gone through that as well. So that is for like basically your thinking level, but you can basically think of. And so these all things very important, because situational based questions is like they are going to give you a situation where you need to basically tell some sort of thing and build a story in front of them. Basically they are trying to like prepare you for speaking to in front of live. So these all things corporates do, and if you are prepared for well, so you can basically lie to them as well. So these all things is a part of interview. So I think this is it. This is all about the preparation and just practice. So you can, if you are a beginner, you can watch my video and subscribe to this channel. You will get a lot of videos in English language. So I hope you like it. Bye bye. Have a good day.